Hello everybody and welcome to another unboxing, and this box is a big one. Yes, big one. I am unboxing an LG 4K TV. It is a 43-inch model 43UJ63. It's only been out for a few weeks. And I picked it up because I'm in the market for a monitor to use with my computers. So I was looking at monitors, and then I started seeing the 4K monitors only went up to about 28 inches and were about the same price as this TV. So my husband and I talked it over and we decided, why not try a 43-inch 4K TV as a monitor and give ourselves a little bit more usefulness out of it than just hooking it up to computers. So here we are. So we'll see if this works. If not, I'm not adverse to going and getting a monitor, but I definitely was interested in trying this out. There weren't a whole lot of reviews on this. Not a lot of people that I found using this as a monitor. So I will definitely do an updated video down the line with my thoughts and experiences after I've been able to use it for a while. But today I'm just going to unbox it, get it set up, and take a first look at it. So let's get started. Still don't have a knife, still using my handy dandy little scissors, but I think they'll do okay for this. Got some stands here, power cable, loads of styrofoam, and let me put this down on the floor. Got a remote and a book. That's pretty much it. A little slippery. Let's see how hard it is to get this stand put on. Alright, so I have my screwdriver here. Hopefully I have the right size, because I just grabbed the little set that I keep up here. Pop it in. So let's get this set up and then we'll take a look. Alright, for now, this is the desk that the TV / monitor is going to live on. A couple things I wanted to show you that I thought were kind of cool. This plug is angled, so I really appreciate that. It's just a small thing, but I really do appreciate that. It will make it much easier to plug it in where I need to plug it in and not have it take up as much room as if it was sticking outward and then putting force on the bend of the cable. So thanks LG for that. That's fantastic. Then I wanted to show you guys just the back of the TV. That a lot of people don't show the connections, and that's something I really like to see. So I thought I would just show you what this TV has on it. And if you look over here, you've got your component, you've got Ethernet, USB, it looks like optical audio, a coax input, so if you're still using SD cable from the wall, you can plug right in. It's got a couple HDMI here, with one with ARC, and then you've got another USB. So, I mean, you pretty much have a full complement of everything you would need in this little TV, which is pretty impressive. The power is all the way on the other side, and it's just this little teeny tiny hole that you just stick the plug into. And everything is out and away from the VESA mount holes, so when you want to mount it on a wall, that's awesome. The whole thing, I mean, including the bow of the back of the TV, is probably less than 2 inches thick. I'm not exactly sure what the whole specs are or dimensions, but it bows out a little bit in the back. Ooh, sorry guys. And so you can kind of see that it has this little bow here. So I would say, like, if you're mounting on the wall, you're probably looking at 2 inches from the wall, or I mean, 2 inches thickness from the front of the TV to the back. So just keep that in mind if you're looking at getting this to mount to the wall. So let me get it plugged in and we'll take a look at what it looks like. All right, we're starting this up for the first time. The only thing I have connected to it at the moment is my MacBook.
Please press the OK button on your remote. OK. Confirm your location and language settings. Navigate English. Checked. Language English. Time zone select. ADAC. Unchecked. Denver. Chicago. Detroit. Unchecked. New York. Check. Time zone New York.
Okay, and I have not taken all the plastic off of this yet, guys, so if you're wondering why it still has stickers and stuff.
OK. Button. LG TV provides audio guidance for the visually impaired. Do you want to turn off audio guidance? No, yes.
Please. I'm glad it found my TV. Gonna plug in the Ethernet and I'll be right back. All right, Ethernet is connected. Like, who reads these? All right. All right, there we go. HDMI 2 is the ARC. Wow, that looks gorgeous. It almost looks prettier even than it does on my MacBook Pro. Let's see if I can... Oh, that is just gorgeous. All right, I did a little bit of playing. I got everything hooked up. I now am running my Mac in clamshell mode. I have everything optimized for viewing on this gigantic screen. And I have to say, I'm loving it. I can't wait to actually get in here and edit some video in Final Cut. Play some games on here. I was watching some of the content through the web apps that come with WebOS 3.5, and I have to say the pictures were great. So as a TV, I am highly liking this. I will spend some time working on it, playing on it, and see how it does from there. But this is the unboxing and first look at the LG 43UJ6300. It is a 43-inch 4K Ultra HD TV from LG, new for 2017. I will be using it mostly as a monitor for my 2016 MacBook Pro with Touch Bar, and using it secondarily as a television. So, like I said, I'll be back again shortly with a more in-depth review of my thoughts after using this as a monitor for a few weeks. But until then, I hope you enjoyed our first look, and please feel free to ask me any questions, leave me any comments below. I'll do my best to answer all of them. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up, let me know you watched. And if you would like to make sure you get notifications when I post a new video, hit that subscribe button, and YouTube will let you know when something new is posted. Until then, I will see you guys again soon. Bye!